Hi dear students, today we are going to study the new topic of the chapter reproductive health, that is population explosion and birth control. Let's begin. First we will discuss about population explosion. What do you mean by population? Population is nothing but the total number of individuals of a species living in a particular area at a particular time. Explosion, a certain increase. Then what do you mean by population explosion? Population explosion is nothing but rapid increase of population over a relatively short period. So there is an increase in the number of population within a short period of time, that is known as the population explosion. So this population explosion is a very serious problem. It not only leads to certain environmental imbalance, but it also leads to various social problems. The world population is growing at a rate of 2% per year. 2% per year. See, the world population, which was 2 billion in 1900. So this has been raised to 6 billion in 2000. Just imagine, the population which was 2 billion in 1900 has been increased to 6 billion in 2000. So if the present trend of growth rate continues, another few billions will be added in the next 40 years. A similar trend is seen in India. So Indian population was approximately 350 million. This was at the time of independence. Currently has shot up to 1.22 billion. Just imagine, India is the second most populous country in the world and China is on the top list. So this figure shows that India represents almost 17.31% of the world's population, which means one out of six people on this planet live in India. It is no good to hear that every year India adds more people than any other nation in the world, and in fact the individual population of some of its states is equal to the total population of many countries. For example, population of Uttar Pradesh, which is a state of India, the population of Uttar Pradesh is almost equal to the population of Brazil. Just imagine. So what are the reasons for this population explosion? See, the reasons are many, not one or two. The reasons are many. So now let us discuss few of the reasons which is responsible for this population explosion. First we will discuss about the better health services. Better health services. See here, the medical facilities are improving. In earlier times, there were less medicines available, less treatment was there. Because of that, the death rate was more. But now, with the advancement of science, the better medicines are available, better health services are there, so that the average lifespan of the people has been increased. So beside these better living conditions, good quality food, better nutrition and better sanitation facilities also help in increasing the life expectancy. Another reason will be increase in birth rate. Increase in birth rate. So due to lack of control on delivery and unawareness of people, the birth rate is increasing rapidly. Next will be the decrease in infant mortality rate. A decrease in infant mortality rate, IMR. See, mortality rate refers to the number of death of infants. So due to science and technology, we are now able to minimize this rate, and now only a few cases of death are known. Next will be the decrease in maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate, that is MMR. Again, this MMR, it is associated with health services. See, in the earlier time, during delivery or parturition, the medical facilities were not available. So during parturition, what happens? The infant could die and the mother would also die. But now, due to better medical facilities, there are less people dying, their life expectancy has increased. So the number of death infants has been decreased. That means newborns has been added to the population as well as the mother, which leads to the increase in the number of population. Another problem will be a high level of illiteracy. High level of illiteracy. See here, the literacy level of women is one of the biggest problems of family planning. In India, people pay very little importance to women education and marry them at an early age. That's why they do not have knowledge about birth control methods and the use of contraceptive. Because of the lack of the awareness of this, it leads to the increase in the number of population. That means the population explosion. What are the effects of this population? How does it affect? Let us discuss few of them. So, see, population explosion is a cause of great concern for all of us. It impacts is showing in many areas. The population explosion affects the natural resources. So, natural resources and many sectors of the economy in many ways. So, it leads to lack of space and food. Lack of space and also the food. Because of this lack of space and food, it results in the poor health of both the children as well as the adults. The very big problem it creates, that will be of unemployment. Due to the increase in the population, the demand for jobs and employment also increases. So, due to lack of resources and employment opportunities, there are millions of jobless people in India. Unemployment is growing day by day. To face this problem, most of the people are migrating to other countries for better job opportunities. One more thing will be the poverty. See, due to the large population, there are a large number of people who belong to below the poverty line, and they do not have adequate knowledge of the population explosion of the country. Also, they are the major contributor to a high birth rate. And next we will discuss about the ecological imbalance. Ecological imbalance. As there is an increase in the urbanization is at the cost of deforestation. So this will cause the ecological imbalance on the earth. So all this, the human population is increasing at an alarming rate. It is estimated to be doubled in next 30 to 35 years. So this increase in human population is not only adding to the already exploding population, but it is also causing a number of socio-economic problems and biodegradation. Therefore, the government was forced to take up serious measures to check this rate. So what are the measures to control the overpopulation? Measures to control population explosion. Population explosion. So in this, first we will study about the education and awareness. Education and awareness. So here the government has to create awareness about population explosion and its impact, and the government has to motivate the people to have small families. They can have a small families by using various contraceptive methods. You might have seen the advertisement in the media as well as the posters showing a happy couple with 2 children with the slogan हम दो हमारे दो. That means we two and ours too. So nowadays what happens, many couples, mostly the young urban working ones, have been even adopted one child norm. One child. That means the couples have to plan that we two and our two, hum do hamare do family planning, or some of the couples they want only one child. That means a small family and happy family. Our next will be the raising marriageable age. Raising marriageable age. So it is a step towards raising the marriageable age, will definitely be an effective means to control population. At present, the marriageable age for girls is 18 years and for boys it is 21. It is a very effective measure to control the population explosion. Next is about the incentives. Incentives. Incentives means a thing that motivates or encourages someone to do something. So here the government can give incentives to families adopting one child norm, such as free education for the child, monthly allowance, promotion, etc. The next will be the family planning. Family planning. Now we will discuss about this family planning in detail.